think it's going to drive its way into everyone's heart at first sight. The stage is all yours, Rakesh.
Thank you, Sinan. It's a great moment, and I feel delighted to bring the all-new Nissan Magnite to our valuable customers. We are cognizant that precaution is the best cure during these challenging times. During these unprecedented times, health and safety of our employees, partners, customers, and local communities continues to be our topmost priority. Nissan introduced special services to help the customers during this period, including emergency roadside assistance during the lockdown and an extended warranty for our customers who were unable to avail the benefits of the standard warranty of free service. Our showrooms now sport the entire BS6 range of products. With the new Nissan Kicks, Go and Go Plus CVT launches, Nissan is allowing Indian consumers to access the choices of the global market. In line with its customer-centric approach, Nissan has strengthened its commitment by bringing the showroom experience to customers in the comfort of their home through a virtual showroom with a digitally enabled car purchase journey. The Nissan Virtual Showroom is an interactive online experience for all customers, enabling them to understand the class-leading product features in an engaging and an innovative way. The complete Datsun and Nissan product portfolio is now available for online booking and purchase. These services have been introduced to ensure customers purchase Nissan products with complete confidence, convenience, and with zero physical contact. The launch of Kicks in 2019 provided strong insights into the aspirations of an Indian SUV buyer. It is this knowledge that has reinforced our planning and that makes us confident that the world premiere of the all-new Nissan Magnite will set the stage for a vehicle that is a game changer. The all-new Nissan Magnite, the game changer, is all yours now. Abhishek, over to you.
Thank you, Abhishek. The Nissan Magnite is a testimony of Nissan's global SUV DNA, spirit of relentless innovation and Japanese engineering. It comes with Nissan's global SUV DNA and with a host of first-in-class and best-in-class features. The new advanced HR10 turbo engine adopts mirror bore cylinder coating technology from world-class sports car such as Nissan GT-R. That reduces resistance inside the engine, thus delivering smooth acceleration and efficient use of the fuel. Magnite offers signature Xtronic CVT gearbox, carefully designed with a wide range of gear ratios. This is Nissan's excellent advantage, enabling smooth and smart driving in the city and super smooth cruise on the highways. The CVT gearbox adopts new D-step control logic to deliver an exhilarating drive. Last but not the least, the Magnite is also installed with cruise control, which gives the driver an effortless driving experience. Magnite, let's look at the safety and all the features that we are going to bring. Magnite is a true reflection of Nissan-ness. What is Nissan-ness? Our philosophy that aims at empowering people through breakthrough products and technologies. Nissan Magnite is equipped with advanced technology and intuitive packaging with human-centric engineering such as best in the segment 7-inch TFT drive assist display with welcome animation, 8-inch full flush touchscreen system and a tire pressure monitor system. It features the latest technology as part of Nissan's intelligent mobility, the company's vision for how vehicles are powered, driven and integrated into the society. First in its segment, the Magnite is also equipped with one of the Nissan's top support technologies, the Around View Monitor technology, which is the first in class for safe navigation in tight corners with 360-degree camera. And if you are worried about the security and safety, we have got you covered that as well. Nissan's Vehicle Dynamic Control VDC system increases the stability of the vehicle, allowing you to have a better control over your vehicles, especially through poor weather conditions. Ensuring customer safety, Magnite is developed with high tensile steel, specific energy for the front, side, back and pedestrian. Adequate safety features like anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, hydraulic brake assist, vehicle dynamic control, traction control, hill start assist, speed sensing door lock and center locking. Developed with Nissan's ingenious technology DNA and the promise of Japanese quality, the Magnite is truly a remarkable addition to the Nissan's family.